In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Play Store. If the Play Store won't open, downloads keep getting stuck, or you're seeing those "something went wrong" messages, clearing the cache is a quick, safe fix you can do in seconds. The cache is just a collection of temporary files the Play Store uses to load faster. Over time, those files can get outdated or corrupted, and that's when weird glitches pop up. Clearing the cache removes only those temporary files. It won't delete your apps, your data, or your Google account. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is where Android keeps all the controls for apps and storage. Depending on your device, the Settings icon might be on your home screen or in your app drawer, and its layout can look a little different from one phone brand to another, but the process is the same. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. On some phones, it might be called Apps and Notifications. This is where you manage everything installed on your device. If your phone shows you a short list, look for the option that says "See all apps" so you can view the full list. Not every device requires this extra tap, but many do. Scroll through the list until you find Google Play Store and tap it. Be sure you select the Play Store app itself, not Google Play Services or any other related entry. The Play Store is the one with the multicolored triangle icon. On the app info screen for the Play Store, tap Storage and Cache. This section shows how much space the app's data and cache are using. You'll see two options here: Clear Storage and Clear Cache. It's important to choose Clear Cache. Clear Storage is a different action that resets the app and can sign you out. You don't need that for basic troubleshooting. Now tap Clear Cache. The change happens instantly. You might notice the cache size drop to 0 or a very small number, which simply means those temporary files have been removed. And that's it. The cache is now cleared. To recap what you just did, you removed only temporary files, you didn't delete any apps or accounts, and you've taken the most common first step to fix issues like the Play Store not opening, downloads getting stuck, or those general error messages. This is a safe, routine maintenance step you can repeat whenever the Play Store feels sluggish or acts up. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to get back to browsing and downloading smoothly.